Okay, hi Cotton Candy Kids or people find this on the There For You page. I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite fidget toys. Well, these are monkey noodles, my favorite monkey noodles. This is a mini one and then this is a bigger one. So yeah, set there. Sorry if I sound a little sassy. And here's Marble Mash. Yes, I don't got a normal Marble Mash. A wacky track, I guess. I don't really remember all names. Then a bike chain, light blue, like my birthstone. Then I got a normal fidget spinner. And then I got a cube fidget spinner. I can't really spin it when I'm using one hand, but see, it kind of goes like that. Well, I'll get it after I'm done. Here's a pop tube. There. Here is this. So yeah. Then I got this thing. I don't know the name, so please comment it down below because I really don't know the name of this. Then an acne pressure ring. Then, of course, my snake. My squishy. This is my favorite one. And that's a strawberry. And also it got cotton candy colors. But so does the other ones, but it just got more of it. Then my infinity cube. And then my favorite poppet. So yeah, those are my favorites. Those are my favorite fidget toys, and I was about to say my outro, but whatever. Bye.